Hello everyone, it's Fiona. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. Today I have another easy and quick DIY for you. So let's get started with the materials we will need. Some fabric that I purchased from Walmart was really inexpensive. I paid $2 for 2 jars. I also will need some foam pumpkins, also some twine, and some acrylic paint, and that's all. So let's get started. So first what I did was just cut 2 pieces of fabric. Next, I grabbed the pumpkin, I placed it in the center of the fabric, and then I realized it was kind of see-through, as you can see. So before I start wrapping all the entire pumpkin with the fabric, I decided to give it a light coat with some acrylic paint that I have in hand. I used a color that was gray, so light gray, as you can see. So it doesn't need to be perfect, just a little light coat. Then I will be using some leftover wood that I have for a previous DIY, and then I just stain it a little bit. So then I used the hot glue and I started to wrapping around the entire pumpkin with the fabric. As you can see, I use my hot glue and also the stick glue to help myself and not burn my fingers. So then I just cut the excess to the fabric, and then I start to pushing a little bit down just to try to create like a little hole, I guess, to be able to place the stem. So when I'm done with that, next what I did it was grab some leaves from dollar store. I just grabbed 3 and I glue it together. I didn't show on the video, sorry for that. So then I just grabbed more hot glue and I placed it on it, and then I will use a lot of hot glue also to glue the stem, as you can see. Next I use the twine just to wrap around the stem, and just to give you a better and nice finished look, and nothing special, just wrapping around a couple times and you will end up with something like that. Beautiful. Then I just decided to use the same twine, follow the same shape of the pumpkin, and then without cutting the twine, just like so. So then I repeat the step with the entire pumpkin. Just like so. It came out beautiful. Then for the next pumpkin, I'm going to repeat the same step, wrapping around the fabric on the pumpkin, and then the only different thing I'm going to do is just the way I'm going to glue the twine. So as you can see, I started first with the twine, not with the stem. So but I'm not going to follow any shape of the pumpkin. I'm just going to wrapping around just like so. And then when I'm done with that, I just use a lot of hot glue, and then I place the leaves and then also the stem, just like so. I also repeat the step with the twine around the stem. And there you have it, 5-minute DIY. It came out beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the red button around there and also the bell, and you will not miss any videos. So see you